Chinese Tesla Model Y lift kit adds 5 inches of ground clearance. With the Tesla Cybertruck yet to be delivered, off-road enthusiasts who also have a soft spot for the EVs made by the Elon Musk-led American company have had to look elsewhere for their zero-emissions trekking endeavors. Late last year, German-based Delta 4x4 unveiled one of the first lift kits made specifically for the Tesla Model Y crossover, adding a total of 3 inches to the car's ground clearance thanks to a 1.3-inch spacer kit and bigger tires. However, now there's another player in town who wants to transform the best-selling car in the world in the first quarter of the year into a go-anywhere EV. Meet the Palabo lift kit that can add as much as 5 inches to the ground clearance of either the Model Y or the Model 3. Made on the outskirts of Shanghai in China, the $15,000 set includes 2 add-on subframes for the front and rear axles, redesigned upper and lower control arms, as well as new spindle gussets. A set of adjustable coil-over shocks designed by Palabo can be tweaked to offer a lift between 2.5 and 5 inches, while the maximum wheel travel is 8 inches. The Chinese startup claims the kit was put through its paces on thousands of miles of testing under various conditions, including mud, sand, and even jumps. You can see the EV attempting one of those in the video embedded above. And if the $15,000 price tag seems a bit steep, there's an early bird promotion that lowers the price to a slightly more reasonable $12,000. Compared to Delta 4X4's lift kit, which is roughly $1,000, Palabo's is considerably more expensive, but it also offers a lot more kit for the cash. And the photos show a very capable-looking machine, but what do you think? Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.